Do you own an auto detailing business? And are you struggling to get customers for high paying services like ceramic coating, PPF installation, and car paint restoration? And you are sick and tired of just relying on inconsistent referrals, third party websites, and generic agencies who do nothing but helps you in burning your money. You are not alone. In today's competitive market, reaching the right customer is more challenging than ever. And you think providing premium services to your customer will lead to you, high paying customer. Should I tell you a secret? All these ways are outdated. Even if you provide the best service in the world, it doesn't matter if you don't have the customer who value it. So, what you can do? It's just not about the service, it's not from the referrals, it's not even from the third party websites. Then how? That's the only thing which can help you, which is known as detailed marketing. The old way, hoping that customer will maybe come by themselves, relying on word of mouth, seasonal and inconsistent flow. The new way, we can provide you the customer who are actively looking for your services. We have a strategies to make sure that your service don't go unnoticed. No more waiting around hoping for the customer, let make them come to you. Before we dive into what we can do for your auto detailing business, let's talk about trust. Hey there, I am Vasif, the founder and the CEO of Gear Up Growth, and I am only 17. Now you might be wondering how a teenager is helping businesses like yours succeed. Well, let me tell you a bit about what I have achieved. Despite my age, I've been able to bring tangible success to business just like yours. Take the auto source for instance. They were struggling to get noticed in the crowded auto detailing market. With our targeted approach, in the less of 14 days, we not only get them noticed but provided the 13 high-end leads for ceramic coating and PPF. They went from waiting around to being to the go-to the choice for auto detailing services. And it's not just them. Iconic Car Care faced a similar challenge. We implemented a detailed targeting and the results were remarkable. They consistently generating 50 of leads every single month who truly interested and appreciate the quality of their service. Even businesses with the years of trust like Wrap and Ride recognize the quality I bring. They are a leader in bike wrapping and the car detailing for 9 years and they look up to me for a reason, results. So, yes, age is just a number. Which matter is strategy, dedication, and the result we bring to the table. We do it through precious targeting. We just don't cast a wide net. We are laser focused on finding the client who appreciate the premium auto detailing services. Our detailed targeting ensures that your services are seen by those who are actively looking for premium services. So, if you're tired of waiting and ready for a positive change, let's make it happen together. We personally help your auto detailing business targeting noticed by right people while guaranteeing you the 45 to 60 high-end leads in just 30 days. If you don't get the result, I'll refund all your money back. The next step is simple. Scroll down, find the book now button and book a meeting with me and let us take your business to top. So if you are watching till now, scroll down and find a button book now meeting and book a meeting with me and I'll personally help your business getting succeed on this market. So don't waste, act now, hurry up, do it now.